You know what? I'm sick of this shit. I'm gonna say it. I'm fucking tired
of your dry ass salmon.
It's 2022. We need to be making salmon the proper way. So today you guys are gonna get a salmon 101 from me and also a delicious pan-seared salmon with lemon garlic sauce recipe. So yeah, let's get in the kitchen. Alright guys, welcome back to Cooking with Coupel. It's the only YouTube channel that combines cooking basics, low carb cuisines, and pan-seared deep fried. Pan-seared crispy skin memes. Like I said in the intro, today I'm going to be giving you guys a salmon 101 and showing you guys a really good recipe. Before we jump into that, let's put 20 seconds on the clock for a little quick beer review. Today we have, I don't even know what it's called, Charlatan, American Pale Ale by Maplewood. Oh wow, super clean, nice and crisp. Yeah, super citrusy. Light aromatics is nice. Citra, Simcoe, Centennial, and Warrior hops. Pretty good combination right there. Nice, easy drinker. Where's the ABV? Fuck. 6.1% alcohol, 35 IBUs. Nice and bright, light, refreshing, aromatic. I'm gonna give it a solid 4.5. I like that. Okay, so salmon, the chicken of the sea.
You stupid.
No, wait, no, that's tuna. Ribeye of the sea, sure. Salmon is super nice. Very, very healthy, very delicious too, as long as it's cooked the right way. What I like to do first is just check. Now this is like a supermarket salmon, so there should not be any, but I like to check for any pin bones. Also, I prefer my salmon to have the skin on, but you can always go through, check for scales. The skin is edible and the scales are kind of edible as well. So like, if there's a couple on there, it's not gonna hurt you. So what we'll do first is we'll portion this out. Okay, so go ahead and transfer this over to our cutting board, which this thing is much too big for. The first thing that I like to do is give it a nice trim. You can obviously see there's some pieces here that might just be a little too thin. You want to try to get as even of a cooking as possible. Cut off a little bit there. Okay, now we can start just kind of officially portioning out our salmon fillets. We want to go maybe about 2.5, 3 inches, somewhere in between there would be nice.
Hey, that's what she said.
I already did this prior, since I had to do that whole salmon smacking. What the fuck was that? Since I had to do that whole salmon smacking scene. But make sure you pat it dry, paper towels, especially if you want to get that crispy skin. You're going to want to remove as much moisture as possible, and that helps with that. There, so you can see that right there. Perfect size fillet. Looks really nice and fatty on the inside. Just like me. Let's go ahead and throw up a rinse count. Okay, here we go. I've got 5 total fillets here. I had 7 in total, but I'm just gonna cook up these 5 for now. So, all right, let's move on to the next step. Okay, so as far as pans go, you can use cast iron, you could even grill salmon, but definitely a good option as well would be stainless steel. So what I have is a stainless steel pan, so it has the nice heavy bottom to it. It's going to evenly distribute the heat throughout the cooking process. I do apologize, this is it's like the ugliest fucking pan. It's steel bottom, but non-stick on the inside. Yeah, stainless steel, good way to go. Okay, so this is gonna be a pretty basic recipe as far as this goes. I have marinated steaks before, done all that fun stuff. I've done some like Asian inspired marinades as well. You can go crazy with salmon. But this is the sauce is mainly what's gonna have this kind of more shine through. So we're gonna keep this kind of basic. Just gonna do a nice, easy salt and pepper. Yep, so we're gonna add salt and pepper to both sides here. Probably wanna press it down on the skin side. A little bit of pepper in there. Oh, by the way, if you know what this shirt is, leave a comment down below. I would really love to know if you're a real one. We're gonna go ahead and heat this to medium high. Somewhere around there. While it's heating up, I might as well say too, we are almost at 200 subscribers and I'm looking to be at 1,000 by the end of the year. That means I only have 5 more months. I'm gonna need some help with that. So please, if you guys are enjoying the content, definitely like the videos, subscribe to the channel. And every time I hit a new milestone, I go out and try a chain restaurant or fast food joint that I've never had before. So this right now is my promise to you. Handshake, we'll shake on it. Okay, the day that I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will buy a plane ticket to California because I know there's some out there. I can't remember which one, but let's try to get there and just have some fun in the process because I love doing this shit. Oh god. Okay, I think we're ready to go. So we're gonna add 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We want a pretty good amount in there. And once it's heated up, we can go ahead and add, just do 1 fillet at a time, because what you're gonna do is you're gonna lay your salmon fillet on the pan and instantly give it a press. Let it go for about 30 seconds. It's gonna be on the skin side for about 5 to 6 minutes. And then we will give it a flip and cook it on that side for maybe up to a minute. I could do multiple at a time, but just to show you guys, I'm just gonna do maybe just 1 or 2 at a time. Ooh, how's it smelling nice? Okay, I think we're at a good point now. Let's go ahead and give it a nice little flip. And we'll get our next one started as well. And again, skin side down. Lay it away from you so you don't get hit by the oil. Okay, it's been about a minute, so I can go ahead and take this one off now. And we'll go ahead and, I'm gonna put this on, transfer this to a wire rack, just so all the drippings can go down. It's not just pooling up on a plate or something. Make sure it is skin side up. That is going to help the skin remain crispy. Okay, so I'm gonna cook up the rest of these, and we will move on to the next part in just a couple seconds. All right, so all of our salmon fillets are officially cooked up. What we're gonna do is hop on the sauce. So the thing is, we have a lot of flavor on this pan. You can see all those little burnt spots. This pan's holding quite a bit of flavor. So we're going to use that for our sauce. First things first, we're going to do 3 cloves of minced garlic and a teaspoon of lemon zest. Now let's go ahead and get that all mixed in. Okay, we will then add a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. At this point now, we can go ahead and cut our heat. We'll just go for a little bit. And go ahead and add 3 tablespoons of butter. Just keep that sauce moving and get the butter nice and melted. Right now we have our heat off, just using the residual heat from the pan and the sauce itself. A little bit of salt, a little bit of fresh cracked black pepper. There you go. A nice thick lemon garlic sauce. Go to give it a taste. That is good. Okay, all that's left to do now is do a little bit of plating. So we have our sauce right here. And we'll garnish with a little bit of dill. Woo. That's it right there. God damn. Oh yeah, that is beautiful. You want a little bit of pink in there, but you can see it's nice and flaky as well, so you know that it's perfectly cooked. Damn, alright.
Wow, that is delicious. Finally, some good fucking food.
This is truly the best way to do salmon. There's so many different marinades you could do, different sauces you could do. Obviously, the combination of lemon and garlic works very well with salmon. That's why I believe it is a perfect beginner's recipe. It's not too difficult. Damn, that's just perfect. Woo! Okay, if you got any value from this video, please like the video, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if this is something that you're into.
It's time to do